Hello and welcome to Apnapur's channel. In this tutorial, we will discuss about the most important topic, and the topic is that the capitalization rule. Many students made mistake in IELTS writing as well as in reading and listening. So many students lost their bank. So in this video, we will discuss some important rule to avoid mistake in the capital letter. Here I choose most important rules to avoid mistake in IELTS writing. I totally recommend you to write your all the answer in reading as well as in listening in the capital letter too. Without wasting the time, let's jump into this unique workshop. Here the first rule is that the first word of a sentence, it means after dot, always write your answer in the first capital letter. Here I choose some example for you guys. First of all, he wants to study abroad. Here H is capital because it is the first word of a sentence. He has a good knowledge in IT field. Here he H is a capital letter. Then C is very talented. Here C first word, and the first word of the first point is that S is capital. They are happy. Sham will be a doctor. Here the first word is a noun and the first letter is a capital letter. The second rule is that I always in capital, no matter the I is in the beginning of the sentence, end of the sentence, center of the sentence, but whenever you write I always in capital letter. For example, I love you so much. Here I is a capital letter. I am so glad I have you. Here I use I both time, and the both time I is in the capital letter. I am going to bed early. Here is the I am, means I is capital and the going to, it's not a first word. It is I is not in a single word. It is used in the verb. It's mean I in a small letter. I am going to successful in upcoming years. Here I is capital. I have a lot of work today. The third and most important rule is that name and other proper noun. I already discussed about the proper nouns and other nouns in my previous video. If you don't watch this video, please go to the grammatical range and accuracy and find this video over there. Example is that my name is Rahul. Here Rahul is a noun and it is an proper noun. It's also called as a name of a person. So I choose the first letter of Rahul is a capital letter. Have you met my friend Fanny? Yes, here F is in capital letter. It is also proper noun as well as in name. Surat is the cleanest city in the Gujarat. Here Surat is a proper noun and Gujarat is the state. So I choose Surat as well as Gujarat in capital letter. My favorite teacher is Smith. Smith is a noun and it is an proper noun. The fourth rule is that days and month. If you write something about days and month, especially in your graph writing, please do not make this mistake. Always write days and month in the capital letter. Here I choose some example for this, and the first example is that your birthday is on 30 November. Here I choose November and it is in a month, and I write the first letter of November is in the capital letter. Sunday, if you talk about some days, Monday to Saturday, it's always in a first letter, always in a capital. Christmas is December 25th. Here, December is a month and I write December. It means the first letter of the December is in capital letter. We work every day except Sunday. Sunday is a day, so I write first letter of Sunday is in the capital letter. The another rule is that the name of city, popular place and any languages always write the name of city, popular place and languages in the capital letter. For example, I like to read English novel. Here English is the language and I mention that language whenever we talk about or we write about the language, please write any language name in the capital letter. He lives in Montreal. Montreal is a city of the Canada, so the Montreal is the name of city, so I write in the first letter of Montreal is the capital letter. She lives in a Kerala. Same the above I mentioned that Rahul want to write English book. Udaipur is also known as a city of lake. Here Udaipur is the name of city. So these rules are very well important in your IELTS writing. So do not make this mistake. Please keep this point in your mind and always remember that this is the rule. Do not make mistake. Please subscribe us and like us. I will catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.